Hey there, my friends. Coach Kirk. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the elite level of $25 one up and how it can help you reach your income goals. So if you don't know what $25 one up is, first of all, $25 one up is an instant pay program. It allows you to earn 100% instant commissions, no monthly fees, right? And be able to earn commissions that actually really help you build the income that you want to build, okay? So with this program, I've earned almost $30,000 with this work from home system. I'm out and about today. I got a ticket, so I had to take care of it. But I'm able to take care of it because of having systems just like this that actually help me to actually earn income passively, okay? So that said, the elite level $25 one up allows you to earn $1,000 instant commissions, okay? But more than the instant commissions, what I love about it is what the product actually is. The product with $25 one up is digital marketing education, right? How do you market on social media? That's exactly what the product is, okay? Now, when someone purchases this product, I'm in position to earn $1,000 commissions, and this is what I help other people do, okay? Be able to do that for themselves. When you purchase the elite level of $25 one up, again, you not only get social media marketing training to be able to know what you need to know to be able to grow your business on social media and without really hustle, but you get access to me as a mentor, and that's more than the price of the fee of $1,000, okay? Now remember, there's no monthly fee, so if you divide that per month, you're able to start a business, right? No monthly fees, right? And you're able to get positioned with someone like me who actually is a coach in the online industry. I help beginners learn, cut their learning curve, get profitable online, and learn how to do it the right way on social media without having to always be inside their business, because nobody wants to do that. And I help beginners avoid the pitfalls of doing things that don't get them results, that don't generate themselves, okay? So if that's what you're looking for, you're actually looking to build a business on social media, right? Here's what I want you to do. You're like, hey, I'm ready to earn $1,000 commissions. Should I like your blueprint on how you made $30,000? I'll give it to you, okay, when you partner with me. So if you're ready to get started at the $1,000 elite level, here's what I want you to do. Watch the full presentation to be beneath this video. Connect with me on Facebook, right? Let's chat. Or if you're ready, go ahead and get started, and then message me for your blueprint so that you could get plugged into the same social media training that I give my team every Thursday, right? And show them how to actually use this to leverage the same system that I've been leveraging to make almost $30,000 with this system. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friend.